Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Haylou RS5 Smartwatch, one of the latest smartwatch from Haylou, and it is loaded with Bluetooth call and sports monitoring. Talking about the sports monitoring, we tested the walking sports, the outdoor walking of this wearable, and so far we do have a results. We tried it at least twice, and we'll show you the results on this video review. After that, we are going to compare it, of course, with the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So if you are interested to check whether the step counter of the Haylou RS5 wearable is accurate or not, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's begin. So we have here the sports function, the workout. As you can see here, we do have the outdoor running, indoor running, and outdoor walking. So we already tested the outdoor walking, and here are the results. We have the first one. So this is our first. Let me see. No, not this one. 1, 2. We have at least 10 minutes. This one. So we have this one. Almost 10 minutes of activity. We have 121 beats per minute for the average heart rate. We have 24 calories burned, and out of 1,000 steps, we recorded at least 1,002 steps. So plus 2. Okay. We have the pace. We have the distance here, 0.69 kilometer. For the second test, we have 9 minutes and 25 seconds. We have the heart rate, 120 beats per minute. The calories is 24, and we do have a perfect count for the steps with 1,000 steps. Remember, we have at least 1,000 steps, and as you can see here, it counted all of our steps. Okay, perfect. And 0.69 kilometer for the distance. As you can see here, our Haylou RS5 is much better compared to other wearable when it comes to counting steps. But how did it compare, or how did it perform if we compare it with our Galaxy Fit 3? So let's check. We have here the health, workout this week, sports record. Okay, let's go over with the first steps of first activity. Almost the same with the time here. The heart rate is 121 beats per minute. Let's see here with the Galaxy Fit 3. It is the same, the average heart rate. Okay, or the beats per minute. For the calories, we have 45, so it is different. 24 for our Haylou, for the RS5, 45 for our Galaxy Fit 3. For the steps, 1,002 steps, 993. Okay, so both do have a very good result when it comes to step counter. For the distance, so plus 6 for our Galaxy Fit 3. Next comparison is for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Let's go first with the first test. Workout, sports record. We have here the first one. So let's compare. So 76.76 kilometers. And we have 59 for the calories burned, 121 beats per minute, the same heart rate here. So meaning we do have a very good heart rate monitoring for our Haylou RS5. For the steps, we have 997. Very good results here for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. And the distance, let's see, 59 and 69, plus 10 for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So for the first step, or the first trial, Okay, the first activity is very good. For the second, let's see. 55 for the calories, 24 for our Haylou RS5. Usually the calories is always a bit off for every smartwatches. For the beats per minute, it's almost the same here. 121 or 120 beats per minute for our Haylou RS5. While for our Xiaomi Smart Band 9, we do have 119. For the steps, much better here for the Haylou RS5. It got it perfectly, 1000 steps compared to 987 of our Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Okay, so far we do have a light activity. Okay, so far as you can see, very good result for our Haylou RS5. I'm impressed with its activity tracking if you compare it with other wearable. For the graph, I'm going to show you the results. Okay, the comparison of other wearables with our Haylou RS5. So what do you think of the motion tracking of the Haylou RS5 smartwatch? Is it good or not? I think for me, the RS5 do have a very good sensor when it comes to step tracking. Okay, check on the graph and the table for the results. We have here the table for the step counter of the RS5, and as you can see here, for the first test we have 1002, and for the second test we got 1000 steps out of our 1000 steps conducted. As you can see here, perfect score for our RS5, especially for the second test. So very good result for the motion sensor of the Haylou RS5 compared with the Galaxy Fit 3 and Smart Band 9. For the next table, we have the average heart rate. And again, very good results for the RS5, first and second average heart rate. But there's an issue on the calories burned for the RS5, very far from the Fit 3 and the Smart Band 9. I think it is a bit off. But when it comes to average heart rate, very good results for the RS5 as well as the step counter. The next image here is the bar graph, and as you can see, very close to the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Smart Band 9 when it comes to the total steps. 1002 for the first steps here, or for the first try, and 1000 for our second test based on the previous table. We have here the average heart rate, the same with the first conducted step counting, 121 for the average heart rate with its 1000 steps exercise. Okay, then our next graph is for the calories. Let me show you the calorie. So for the calories, very far from the Galaxy Fit 3 with 45 as well as the Smart Band 9 with 59. Almost half. As you can see here, we only have 24. Okay, I think there's an issue with the calorie counter for our Haylou RS5 smartwatch. So far, the heart rate and the step counter is very good when it comes to the results. Here are the total results compared with other fitness trackers. So far, the Haylou RS5 when it comes to the step counter has the highest percentage of accuracy. We do have here the lowest, the Redmi Watch 5 Active, followed by the Huawei Band 9. The C8 Max do have by Callme is very good also, as well as the Xiaomi Smart Band 9, followed by Fit 3. So that's our accuracy test for the Haylou RS5 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, drop a comment below, and of course, like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any suggestions or queries about the wearable, drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.